Hello, this is Mike Fortinas from Overstory Analytics. This is a quick video to show how to create a single line inventory summary for use in ArcGIS Prep. And this inventory data would come from the Prism inventory application. And in Prism, often books are set up where the inventory like tons, spatial area, and all of that will write right into the tree table. So this is based on that case. This is kind of a standard setup. And so if we see here, we've got a tree table with all that information in it. And I'm going to do a summary that will allow this to be used along with the stand layer. So I'll just walk through that really quick. And I have this tool, geoprocessing tool, here in my history already all set up. And what it's going to do is going to take the tree table, summarize the basal area, trees per acre, tons per acre, and top tons per acre. And we're going to go ahead and do this by stand number, stand ID, and create a table. Let's just go ahead and make a new one here and give this a run. And it ran pretty quick. If we open this guy up, and what we have, we have 18 records for all the stands that have inventory and in one line. One line is nice because you can join this to the stand layer, and then you'd be able to query or symbolize or label or whatever based on any of these numbers in the inventory. So you can do other things. You can have the totals in here expanded um, per acre kind of to stand size and all that. Pretty easy to do, but this is the principle. Same principle applies here. So what we'll do next is use this summary table um, joined to the stand layer. Okay, so here's a stand layer. We're going to join by the stand ID, tree table, whoops, wrong table, summary, stand ID, validate the join, make sure it works. We should get 19 matches right there. Okay, and if we open up this scan table, a bunch of stuff in here, but we'll see all that data joined in here. So for instance, now what we can do is say we want to query all the stands with over 100 basal area. Well, that's pretty easy to do now. So if your inventory changes and more data comes in from the field with Prism, then you need to rerun this process. But it's pretty straightforward. So let's say let's go ahead and query basal area. Want to know where those bad basal areas stand. Well, in this case, it's most of them when we set a lower threshold. We're not getting everything. Let's just say over 140. And there we go. Now we can see, as you can see, the band with over 140 basal area. And then the last thing I'll show is that you should be able to label by these kinds of things. So we want to label by trees per acre, for instance. There it is. You might want to go in there and round that number off. It's just kind of ugly, but yeah, that's real quick and dirty on having uh, forest inventory one-liner that you can use on Sprout. Thanks for joining. See you on the next video.